Hey, good day to you. This is Todd. I'm a regular dude walking in the Word. Hey, thanks for joining us. We're going through Ephesians today, and it's entitled, let's see here, Take Off the Old and Put on the New. And I'm wearing this crazy hat because this is representing the old, okay? Not many young people are wearing this. It's mostly older men that are wearing it, and usually when it's cold. Right here in Florida, as you can see in the picture, in the window here, it's pretty warm outside. Okay, nice and sunny today. But we're talking about we're going through Ephesians here, and in this particular passage, he's talking. It'll talk a lot about it, taking off the old and putting on the new. So let's follow along with me. It's Ephesians chapter 4, verses 20 through 25. It says this: "That, however, is not the way of life you learned. When you heard about Christ, you were taught in him according to the truth that is in Jesus. You were taught with regard to your old former way of life to put off the old self, which is being corrupted by its deceitful desires." Let me take this off then. So I took off my old self, okay? The old self is gone. However, my head's uncovered. So you were taught to... and it was corrupted by the evil desires, and by its evil, deceitful desires, to be made new in the attitude of your minds, and to put on the new self, created to be like God in the true righteousness and holiness. And put on the new. Oh, kind of crazy here. Takes me a while to put on the new here. "Therefore, each of you must put off falsehood and speak truthfully with your neighbor, for we are all members of one body." Okay, so the big thing here is this. God is speaking through Paul here, but Paul is saying, when you were an old person, when you were full of sin, you had that old self. Well, now is the time to take that off. So we had the old self here, and I wear that, and I took it off, okay? However, what some people do is they don't want to take it off totally. They're like, you know what, I dislike my life, but you know what, I want to keep a corner of it. So they're like walking around with a corner of it, not taking it all off, but they want to, still be sleeping with a girlfriend, or still lying or cheating or whatever, okay? But Paul is saying here, you need to take it off and get rid of it, okay? But not only just take it off, but you need to put on the new, okay? So this is my new hat, my new fishing hat. And so I take that off and I put it on. And so I have the new on now. And the new is Christ in me. That's the new. That's all the difference, The difference is the world. I had the world and I took that off. And now the new that I'm putting on is Christ Jesus, okay? And again, you don't want to be that person that is like, I don't want Christ to be in everything, so you have the hat halfway on, okay? Don't be that guy. Accept everything he has and put on everything that Christ has for you. So that's the whole message today, is take off that old and get rid of it. You're like, yuck. You don't want that nastiness. But you need, but then you need to put on the new. Okay, if I'm taking off the old, it's going to come back if I don't have something to replace it on my head. My head is going to, get sunburned and everything else if I don't put something on my head. And so I take off something, but I have to put something on. Well, I put that same old nastiness back on? Not if I have Jesus here. Okay, because this doesn't work so well to put it over Jesus. It's not going to work. Okay, once I have Jesus, this is all I need. All right, that's it. Thank you for watching. I'm a regular dude walking in the Word, and I look forward to seeing you tomorrow as we continue our journey through Ephesians. Lord's blessing. I'll see you then.